Hi, my name is Phil, and today we're going to be reviewing this Remington hair dryer. So first of all, here's the unboxing. This is the hair dryer. Inside the box you are going to find another extension. And again another extension. That you can take here. You also have instructions in many different languages. So I've tried it and it's pretty strong. It's gonna make your hair dry pretty quickly compared to others. And I like this size because it's not too big, not too small, like strong enough. So yeah, I really recommend this one, the Remington for hair dryer. Thanks for watching.
Here we go. So I got this as well as this. It's kind of messy because I've been using it a lot and it's been working pretty good. My only problem is with this thing trying to, yeah, you see that? As soon as you connect them together, it would just go off. Or I'm not putting it on correctly. I'm gonna have to check out the instructions again, which is really good. All right, so this part can also be a little bit of a trouble, but you see, I'm trying to remove it, but it's not coming off, and that's really good. All right, so yeah, and then you have the plug. Do not tear this piece off. I know it might be a little bit off, you know, in your way and stuff. You could just slide it down and use this part. Right. So you have a test option here. You have a test option here, and you have this one for when you're ready to start using it. No, reset, I should say. Oh yeah, so the control options. Yeah, I'm not sure if it's really good, but yeah. And then you have the inside. Really good, thank you.
Okay guys, let me show you my favorite affordable hair tool right now, the Remington Damage Protection Hair Dryer. I've been using this for a while now, and honestly for the price, it delivers amazing results. It uses ceramic, ionic, and tourmaline technology, which basically means less frizz, less damage, and a smoother, shinier hair. I love that includes both a concentrator for slick styles and a diffuser that's perfect for waves or curls, especially if you're trying to protect your natural texture. It's lightweight, powerful, and it dries my hair faster than other dryers I've used. And if you're a mom like me, you know that's a big deal. It comes with 3 heat settings and 2 speeds, so you can customize it to your hair type basically.
Look at them.